Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make text all caps in Apple Keynote. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Keynote software. Now you can see here many slides to this presentation. You want to change the all caps of this text. At first, click inside the text box. Then select the text, click and drag on our mouse. Otherwise, using the keyboard shortcut key, press Ctrl A on your keyboard. Then go to the text menu and click this more option. Then we can see here the baseline or the capitalization or a strike through, etc. Now I am click this capitalization. Then choose the all caps. We can see we change the correct all caps of this text very easily. You can make another. Select again and go back again this. Then you can make this none or another. Now we can see we make text all caps very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.